Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at another Retro 4, the Retro 4 Red Cement. This shoe was released on September 9th, 2023 at a retail price of $210. The Air Jordan Retro 4 Red Cement showcases color blocking that recalls the OG white cement colorway. The mid-top carries a white leather upper with tonal panel netting and contrasting black accents on the molded eyelets and interior lining. Vibrant hints of fire red accompanied by black speckled detailing land on the shoe's supporting wings, midsole, and heel tab. The latter features embossed Jumpman branding. As far as resale, these are currently flooding the market as Timmies are tanking the resale price. I do predict that over time these will perform similar to the Midnight Navy 4s. Right now prices are between $230 and $260, but like I said, I see this increasing over time. Thankfully, I got a couple pairs. I'll probably hold one, sell one, possibly rock one. I'm not quite sure yet. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.